Hey guys, the Rage here. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this Big Horn pizza oven. There you go. And we have the lovely assistance of my wife today as the camera woman. So it comes with a nice instruction manual. This thing is massive, by the way. So without further ado, fixing this protection styrofoam out. This is the stainless steel, but only in the front, apparently, from what I can tell already. And the back is black. So that's something for you guys to be aware. It's actually not that heavy. It is bigger than heavy. It's much bigger than it is heavy. But yeah, it comes tons of protection over here. We're just gonna rip some of this stuff off so you guys can see the front of it. And there it is. Like I said, tons of protection in this. I don't even know where to start here. Let's see. And it has some couple big handles in the side, which is nice. And then you have some more tape here in the sides protecting it. This comes off. Okay. All right, this comes off. Interesting. So this has a different door than what I'm used to. There it is. And put this in the side right now. Let's see what else comes inside here. So we have our pizza thingy. And we have some cardboard box protecting it there as well. So take that out. Take a look inside. And this is the Big Horn. Couple nice handles in the side. So it makes it easy to lift it up and put in place. Also inside the box, we have the pizza stone. And it's a nice size pizza stone, which goes inside there, which is great. Let's put this back in here for now. And then this, I believe this is the door, which is, yeah, goes like this because it gets hot. And then you just grab by the handle, but I'm assuming this gets hot, really hot as well. So it's interesting door concept, to be sure, but does the job. Definitely don't put this part inside, but that's it. I mean, I'm gonna plug it in. I'm gonna bake our first pizza in it. I'll let you guys know how that works. Right now we have, so this is, the Big Horn. Hopefully it won't fall. But we also have that one over there. And I'll be making a comparison between them. This is the Chefman. And I've used that one already. And I want to use this one here now too. And I'm going to compare both of them. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Take care. Bye.